Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about analysis in Tom Sawyer Explorations. Tom Sawyer Explorations empowers analysts to rapidly uncover insights through advanced graph intelligence, graph visualizations, and pattern matching, all without any coding. Analysts of all skill levels can easily connect to a graph database, interactively query data without needing advanced coding skills or knowledge of the Gremlin or Cypher query language, and apply graph visualization and analysis techniques. Explorations includes clustering analysis to show data-driven groups that are inherent in the graph. We can select a cluster in the analysis result tree, and the drawing view will zoom to that cluster. We also can expand each cluster to see which nodes are in it, and we can select a node and zoom to that item in the drawing view. Exploration also includes several types of centrality analysis. Degree centrality shows which nodes have the most direct connections. Closeness centrality shows which nodes are closest to more parts of the network. Betweenness centrality is based on shortest paths and shows which nodes are on the superhighway of information. Eigenvector centrality shows who knows the most important people, or in other words, who does this person know? And PageRank centrality, which shows who is known by the most important people, or in other words, who knows this person. Today we're going to apply degree centrality, and we can see how the node sizes now reflect the centrality values for each node. For example, if the data is for a crime network, the centrality results point us to key people in the network whose arrest would cause the most disruption in the crime network. The analysis result tree also shows these centralities by range, and we can select a node in the analysis result tree and zoom to that node in the drawing view. In today's video, we showed how to use clustering and centrality graph analysis in Tom Sawyer Explorations. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Explorations.